Mom, do you love me?
Of course, sweetie, I love you more than words can say. Why do you ask?
I don't know. You never say it.
Oh, my dear Leo, love isn't just about words. Love is in everything I do for you. Do you remember this morning?
Yeah, you woke me up for school.
That's right. I woke you up gently so you wouldn't be late. That was love. And what did we have for breakfast?
Pancakes, my favorite, with strawberries.
Exactly. I made your favorite breakfast to start your day with a smile. That was love too.
And you packed my lunch?
I did. I put in your favorite sandwich, an apple to keep you healthy, and a little cookie for a treat. I wanted to make sure you had a good meal at school. That was love.
And when I came home from school, what did you do? You asked me to help with my homework. It was hard math.
Yes, and I sat with you, and we figured it out together, didn't we? I wanted you to learn and do well. That was love.
After homework, we played in the garden.
That's right. I pushed you on the swing higher and higher, just like you like. Hearing you laugh is my favorite sound. That was me showing my love.
And then I fell and scraped my knee.
And what did I do?
You cleaned it and put a bandage on it, and you gave me a big hug.
Because I don't want to see you hurt. I want to make everything better. That was love, Leo. A very big piece of love.
Now, it's bedtime. What did we just do? You read me a story, my favorite one about the dragon.
I read it to you, even though I was tired because I love our special time together. And now I'm tucking you into your warm bed, making sure you are safe and comfortable. I'll check on you while you sleep to make sure you're okay. All of that, my darling, is love.
So, when you make me breakfast, that's love.
Yes.
And when you help me with my homework, that's love.
Yes, that's love too.
And when you kiss my scraped knee better, that's love.
That's the biggest love. I show you I love you all day long, in 100 little ways. From the moment you wake up until you are fast asleep. My love is like a big warm blanket that is always wrapped around you.
Wow, so you really, really love me.
I really, really do. More than all the stars in the sky. Now sleep tight, my little one. I'll see you in the morning. Good night, my love.
Good night, Mom. I love you too.